Beehives was Brandon's idea. We had a beekeeper in-house. We were asked to look for a biodiversity project, and I put that out to everybody and asked for suggestions, and Brandon came up with bees.
I am a beekeeper, and bees are very important to everybody as a whole. They are #1 pollinators in our world, and that provides us with the foods or nutrients that we need to survive. I'm one with nature when I'm out here in these colonies, and I feel good about myself because I'm able to help people provide for their families through their gardens. So the hives are located at the southwest corner of the property next to the Schuylkill River. The reason we chose this location is #1, there's less traffic of individuals, and #2, they have an abundant water source from the river next door. So today we are going through and doing an inspection on the colonies to determine what our next steps would be to take care of them. I wouldn't mind putting an observation hive up in the lobby. That way when the customers come to the site, they can see what importance sustainability has to our company, and maybe even expand the apiary back here.
I think it's part of our corporate culture. You know, we're looking for ways of reducing waste, we're recycling, and it's all part of the same process. The biodiversity is important because it's going to educate our children, you know, for them to be involved with biodiversity. If they're looking after nature, ultimately nature's going to look after mankind.